Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shibin. Today in this video I am going to introduce a thermal printer again. This is a Brother thermal printer, Brother QL700 model thermal printer. This thermal printer, it is very nice. This is not new actually. This I brought more than 2 years before. Since I am using in my daily life, because there is a lot of printing is required for me, like labels and all for signage. Those many things I am printing in this printer. It is very nice actually. In this printer we have one see in the back side we have only USB interface. This we can directly connect with our computer, like laptop and even desktop. Even it will support with Mac OS. And there is 230 voltage power supply is there. 220 to 240 voltage. Yes, there is a voltage range is there. Power supply is there. In the front side, you can see there is some feed automatic, manual feed. Switch on, switch off button is there, and there is manual feed button is there in the last here, and here one cut manual cut button is there. And this printer is auto cut printer. Actually, this paper roll is continuous paper roll like this. This is also from Brother brand. You can see this paper roll. You can insert this paper roll directly inside. This printer can go up to 69 mm width paper roll. Like this width is 69 mm. You can directly insert this paper roll into this printer. And the one small advantage is that this duplicate paper roll, like you cannot install like a normal paper roll. You need to buy from only Brother paper only will work in this printer. This is a small problem which I faced since this period, but the quality of the paper, the sticker is very nice, marvelous, super adhesive, everything is very good, and the print quality is very good. For testing purpose, I have make some testing with this and I have make some printing with this paper, and I stick it somewhere. And still, after 2.5 years also, that print is already there. There is nothing is vanished. Normally in the thermal printer, after 6 months or 3 months, this print it will vanish from the paper. This is the main drawback for this thermal printer. But there is an advantage also that the thermal printer does not require any kind of cartridge, ink, toner, nothing is required. It is by printing cost wise, it is okay, very good, cheap in cost. Printing, we don't want to insert any even ribbon also, nothing is required. That all is more complicated. Thermal technology means there is no much moving part inside the printer, so that it is it will get a long life for the printer. Also, we don't want to do more repairing inside. Just keep the paper inside. See, like this paper, keep the paper inside and start doing printing. It is very simple actually. There is wide range of paper roll which is available in Brother paper roll market. This is actually sticker. Actually, you can see over here there is a cut is there in between the sticker. There you can put print a name pad and all this things you can find, or you can go with this continuous paper roll. It is very easy because auto cut facility is there. Once your design is completed, automatically where the print is finishing, there cut will be there. The printer speed is very nice. High speed printer, actually it is 150 mm per second. 150 mm per second. It is very marvelous speed for a level printer. It is very good. And the minimum size is, the width is maximum we can put 59 mm. This width, actually this is the width actually, and the length up to 1 meter we can cut. The length we can do up to 1 meter. We can do continuous printing in this label printer. That is very good. And main advantage what I found, that the printer life is very good. Even after 2 years of my continuous use, still the print quality is very good and sharp. Everything is good. And more advantage is that for this printer, that while purchasing this printer, we will get a very good design software. That is very simple design software. Anybody can do the our own custom size label design. So even for name pad or file tag, or whatever it is, temporary tags or something, whatever you need, you can print it over there, or you can put your name pad for your products and all. All these things you can do, printing, can do print very fastly, very simply, and anybody can use that software. That is a main advantage. We don't want to go for big computer practice and all. Very simple, it's very simple tools, like Windows, Microsoft Word. There is some tools are there, same scenario tools are there. I will show you some small tips how to prepare this, how to design this um, sticker and label. And
this is the home screen of label printing software. This is free of cost software which is available along with printer, this brother thermal printer. So first of all, I will go to open one page over here in the left side corner. While opening this page, you will find a lot of things in the right side panel. Here, first of all, I will go to the text. I will type something, whatever I need to type, I will type it. One, I will remove the caps lock. One, I just mentioned my channel name over there, and I will put it in a corner. It will be like that, and you can make second option is that you can change the font size, whatever it is, you can change it over there. You can make it in a bigger size. Even you can drag it over here, it will come bigger size, and there is number of font size, you can find it over there. Anything you can select from there, and there is a center alignment, right side alignment, left side alignment, like same like Microsoft Word. There is so many underline is there. Okay, whatever you need, you can choose it over there, and you can put it over there. And I will go to the next icon because I want to finish this video quickly, and you can save your time also. The next is that here you can type. This is arc actually. You can select which mode you need. Okay, this module I will go for show you. Thanks for being in my video. I just type like that, and it will automatically come there. And you can change font size. Even you can drag it over here. Just click it and drag it like that. You can change like this. Anyway, you can do this one. Even if you are typing the capital letter, it will look very nice. I will just remove this one. And the next option is really interesting this feature. This is barcode. You can generate your own barcode with this software. Here I will go. Here I will prepare some barcode right now. For example, this barcode I will generate. This UPC. We need to put our input over here. This is UPC is coming 11 characteristics. Just I will type simply something. Okay, you need to type proper UPC, then it will valuable one. So this UPC, I type it over there. It looks very nice. Wherever we need to keep it, we can drag it and we can keep it over there. And also I will prepare one a QR code. Nowadays QR code is very familiar in the market. So this QR code is here. We need to put also input for QR code. www. This is normally website link or something is putting in a QR code, so that even myself also will put my website name. SHIBIN.com. There is no website like that, but even though I show you. If you scan this one, it will go to www.shibin.com, but you will not find anything because I did not create any website in that name. If you have a website, you can type that particular website name, so it will divert to that website. So that is a very nice feature. And there is margins you can set it over there like a frame. I will go for a simple frame. Okay, automatically the frame set it over there. You can see over there. There's the frame. You can see in the there's many number of frame is available. Okay, this kind of frames are also available. See this, very nice it is. And again, there is some tables we can generate. You can change it in a row, column, how many columns is required. We can change it. I will show you 4x3. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. You can relocate the lines wherever you need, and you can type it in each column. Whatever you need to type, you can type it over there. That is very nice feature actually. I will just remove it. and again we can put some images over there. I will just put this image. Okay, we can resize the image very simply, and we can keep it over there. And again I will put screen capture. This is very nice option. I will capture this one. Okay, capture. Oh nice. But in the printout how it will come, I don't know. Even myself also I am doing first time this one. We will see how the printout will come. Screen capture is clip part is there. This is very nice feature actually. Clip part, there are so many clip part. This is what is this? Okay, this one I will keep it in the side. Love BS. Okay, keep it over here. Nice, you can sit over here. Thank you. Okay, then I will go to another clip part again. There is so many clip part is there in the school. Signages is there. There are so many signage. General clip arts are there, and there is some arrow. Okay, hospital. What are the things you want to use? Okay, dental. Okay, dental. This one is there. Even whatever clip art you find, just double click over there. It will come directly to this your page. It is too much actually. I will delete one. Okay. Then again, I will go to clip art again. There are some symbols you can find over there. There is drag button is there. Symbols. This is all symbols. So many symbols you can find free of cost over there. Alphabets are there. Okay, so many things are there. Some pictures also there. If you double click, it will automatically go to your page. You can simply drag it over there. And again, I will go to make a picture. This one also the same, I think. There is no big change. This is a nice feature actually. Date and time. The current time is there. Current date. If I click OK, it will come over here. We can reduce the size. Keep it over here or here. And again I will click and time. Current time right now here in India, in Kerala actually. I am from Kerala basically. This time, date, everything you can mention over there. Up arrow button you can use. Even you can reduce the size again, whatever you need. There is some interesting features is available in the right side of this thing, and there is reverse button is there. Direct to print you can do from here, and see there is some font adjustment I already told you, and this is the page settings details, and here we can do direct to print out here. Now we will see the print how it will come. Our designed logo is already here, and I switch on the power supply for the QL printer. Now I will just print it and I will show you how the print is coming. Print. See, the print is coming over here. It's very fast actually. You can see this print, how it is, quality, everything's. Our copy is here, our barcode is here, our name, everything is there. It looks very nice, I think. It's nice label. You can print it, and peeling also is very easy. You can see this one in this corner. You can simply peel it off. There is extra outside paper is there. It's overlap, so easily you can stick it. Remove the sticker. You can stick wherever you need. I will stick it over here itself. Okay, sticker already there. It did not stick properly. Yeah, I just stick it over there. Then once it is stick, means it will be very strong, and it will not go anywhere. So up to here, this is my video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel so that you can watch my future videos also. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.